Oh, there's a rock there. As you can see, naka-shore attire tayo. Pasyalan muna natin ang shore ngayon kasi pangalawang araw ng holiday ngayon, pero laging puyat. Ang hirap matulog ng maaga. Biglaan lang decision ko, mag-shore na lang muna. Pag kaya, summertime, ang gising natin ay alas 3 na. At least pag shore lang, ang gising natin ay 4 o'clock lang. Saka less work. So yun, kita-kita tayo sa shore. Yung malaking sasakyan lang muna ang gagamitin ko kasi naisampa ko na yung kayak kagabi, kaso alauna na ako nakatulog. So yun, puyat pa rin pero at least hindi gaanong pagod ngayon. Tara, kita-kita tayo sa shore. Queen. No. Huh? There's a rock there. There's a rock there, I know. There's a rock there. But it feels like Queen. Oh, there's a rock there.
Line, no?
Huh?
Line how?
Twin, huh?
Line, no, line, enough.
12.
You have enough line, no?
Yeah, yeah. But
This one,
it's shaking like a queen.
hold on.
Lure. You got Anok for you? You caught only that? You had a strike, right? You had a strike.
Yeah. Hold on.
Anok also, huh? This one small lure. Maybe you swallow it. 6 gram. Hopefully it's inside.
Take your time.
Yeah. That's fine. Ay, malayo nang nirating niya. Duda ako dito eh. Duda ako dito. Hindi naman siya nag-side. Doon naglalaro-laro siya. Pag nalan natin to, iyan na tayo. Ayun, tumatabi. Tumatabi. Cheating nga ito. Golden. Ang ka na? Golden nga, golden. GT. Small. Small only. Huh? No, it's okay. It's coming. Golden. May pangtula na tayo. Ayun. Still strong. Swallow it. Hey. Yan. Yeah. Andin. Sabaw. Golden Trevally. Yeah. Open bait. Reka. Yan. Alright. Wala yung lip grip, hindi ko dinala. Pwede na tayong umuwi. Lakas. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah. All right, let's go.